Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You have admin access and a hosted WordPress site. Start now by choosing how to connect your blog. First, decide whether you'll import posts, display an RSS feed, or create menu links and redirects. Each method serves different goals. Once chosen, install the matching plugin Feedsy for RSS feeds, WP All Import for full imports, or redirection for URL forwarding, and activate it. Make sure to update backups before continuing and keep your site in maintenance mode if you expect downtime. Now configure the integration. Enter the source blog's RSS or API URL and test the connection so you know data flows. Next, map fields. Assign source title to WordPress title, body to post content, author, and featured image to preserve structure and SEO. If importing, choose import frequency and post status. For live feeds, set caching and refresh intervals. Also set categories and tags mapping to keep taxonomy consistent. Once mapped, run a small test import to verify formatting and image retrieval. Finish by executing the full import or enabling the live feed, and then verify permalinks and on-page SEO elements like meta titles and images. Once posts appear, add navigation links or set 301 redirects from old blog URLs to their new WordPress equivalent so users and search engines follow. If something breaks, check plugin logs and server error logs. Increase PHP memory and max execution time if imports time out. Clear caching layers and reauthorize API keys.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.